Alright, so we're gonna show the pin stations at each park. Let's see where they are at Epcot. They can change, but normally there's a pin station right up here when you walk into the right. There's a board.
There is, right there it is.
Now before we get started, I want to give a shout out to my friend who designed these pens. I'm going to put her shop, the link in the description. And we are doing a giveaway for 4 of her pens. Just follow the directions in the comment section or in the description. I'll put it in both and you can win 4 of them. Now they are super detailed and they look amazing in person. I cannot show how good they look on camera, but they are super cute and she has a lot more design, so definitely check her out. We brought these. We're gonna see. We take one that we want to trade and we pick one. We can do up to 2, I think. Choose your Disney pen to trade. These are the new rules. Point to the pen you would like and then they will remove it because of sanitary reasons.
Tell me the number and I'll get you the pen, okay?
Pluto, which one do you want to trade?
Which one do you want to give him for that pen?
Which one do you like the least? That one?
That
okay.
one?
Okay. Put it in there. Drop it in there. There you go.
And here's your pen, okay?
Thank you. All right. And we're going to see what other pen stops there are. Cool. Sometimes they have one outside of Nemo. We didn't see one. We're going to check Canada and Germany. See if they have pins out here. Okay, over in the Canada pavilion, the pin board is right here. It came out at 2 o'clock, so probably different times.
All right.
Oh, I love the bear, number 20. Your name's Shelly Mae.
So who do you like, honey?
What do you like? You like 23?
Now which one do you want to trade?
He actually was
The
greeting
silver?
us a couple weeks ago.
I want to trade too.
Okay.
Flat hand for me?
Here, baby.
Flat hand, thank you.
Can I trade for a 20?
Certainly.
I want to take Shelly Mae. You don't see her.
Shelly Mae.
Trade for this one. What do you want to trade, buddy? What do you like?
Mickey.
Mickey? Which Mickey?
The shadow one.
Cool.
Okay.
Here,
This
give her
one?
that one.
Flat hand.
Steady too. We got Shelly Mae. She's so cute. Flip it over. I love it. Good job. That was a good pick. Over in Germany, it's over here. Let's go see. Do you like any?
There's Maleficent's mouth. That
There's
turns into
Cheshire
puzzle
Cat.
pieces.
I want the Mickey cheeseburger.
I don't think that's a cheeseburger. I mean, that one, I think that's a Pluto.
That's Pluto.
You want Cheshire?
And I want.
Hello. She wants number 28, please.
I want to trade. And I want one.
That one, buddy?
Here, sweetie.
Okay.
This one?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome, thank you much.
So they used to have a pin board in here, but there is one in Star Traders and the Splash Mountain gift shop when that's open.
Yeah.
The Emporium,
Pirates.
store, and the Memento Mori. So we're gonna see what pins we can find to trade. Let's go see what Star Traders has for pins. Yes, here's the first one by the register. I like the Dalmatian donut. That's pretty cool.
I like that one.
Oh yeah, that's from Lady and the Tramp.
I want to trade with this one, and I want that one.
Aw, the donut. Good choice, Pumpkin.
I'm a Goofy.
Goofy?
The goofy
There's
one?
2 Goofies.
Or this one.
No.
This one.
Yeah.
That one?
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you.
We'll trade this one.
Alright, we got
The Dalmatian like donut
and Goofy. Alright,
and the
good
goofy
choices.
looking like apple.
So the next pen stop is in this shop here in Splash Mountain. Oh yeah, you do have a lot of jacks. That's pretty cool.
Wow, that's different. They're all different.
Yeah, there's like 3. Okay, so if you wanted, you want number 7 and we
What do you
want.
want to trade it with?
I want to trade this one.
This one here? Well, if I can get it off the pin back.
Yeah,
Here you go.
I want to trade the Magic Mickey now.
The which one? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want that one? All right.
Okay. That was in the Splash Mountain gift shop, just right down the cash register.
Just to let you know, there's another side onto this as well.
Oh, I see, because you can flip it.
Yeah, and then if you guys want to take a screenshot, there's also different locations as well.
Oh, I have it. So, I like the
any?
alien or Pinocchio. I thought was cute on the other side.
My goodness.
You want to trade for Boo? Thank you. Awesome. All right, so it's a floating pen board and it moves around. So we're just gonna try another day. At Hollywood Studios, we're gonna show you the pen trading spots. I said the biggest pen trading spot is at the PhotoPass store. So let's go check and see where else there is.
Tell me which ones you want and I will get it off for you.
Just don't touch.
And then you can put yours in the wall. Donald Duck?
It's like
Pirate.
So you want the pirate flag?
The pirate flag?
Okay.
Put it in her cup, buddy.
Look, Pumpkin,
Buddy.
there's a goofy one.
this
This
one
is like
in there?
gold. You got a set.
And I'll give you this one.
Yeah, let's get it. I'll trade it.
I got the pirate.
Okay, mommy.
Let's see. Oh.
I
I like the Easter egg. That's cute.
want that one, the Easter egg.
Yeah, that one's cool. And then which one do you want to trade for?
I want to do this one.
Okay. The Mickey?
This?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, Peter Pan's hat.
All right. Thank you so much.
Drop it in her box.
And where are the other locations? Do you know?
Oh, they're gonna be here.
Drop it in her box.
Right there.
Oh, I want to take a photo like it says.
Thank you.
Okay. What is? Oh, that's Hawk or Hawkeye. Hawkeye, the top.
This guy?
Yeah, is that Hawkeye?
I believe so, yeah.
Do you like any of those?
I want the bone.
You want the bone?
Like the bone?
Yeah.
You gotta give them one in the box.
Okay.
For me.
Thank you.
And here you go.
Thank you. Okay, and then I'll be your Mickey. Does she take it out and trade for that one?
In the box for me, hen.
In the box.
Thank you. All right, so that was the last one we're gonna show today, and that's in the haunted or the Tower of Terror store. We just made it into Animal Kingdom, and I believe the first pen stop is this first gift shop on the right. So we're gonna check it out, see what they got. There's some decent ones.
The pink.
You like that one? I think it has to do with Epcot, right?
I think so. I think so. So yep, you're gonna drop it right in there, honey.
All right, Buddy Boy, what do you like?
The bear.
You like the bear, 26?
Trade this one. That's from Toy Story.
Yep.
Trade.
Oh, is it from Toy Story?
Yep.
That's funny. The little critters.
He is. He's one of the little critters.
The next pen trading board is over by the Dino area, Dino Bash. This is where Donald used to meet. And they have these pens over here. Look, they have Anna. They have Gaston. Orange, is that Orange Bird? I think they have Orange Bird number 7. They have Rex, buddy.
17.
And do you like, there's a Cheshire Cat lollipop, a Donald popsicle.
That one, the lollipop.
The lollipop one? That one right there? Or that one right there?
That one?
Yeah.
14. Alright, so that one right there?
No.
The one above it? Okay.
Number 4.
That one, 4?
Sounds good. Alright, so you're gonna drop it right into the bucket for me? Now I'm gonna give you that one right there, okay?
This universe.
You wanna trade that one? Alright, you're gonna take the back off of it for me?
I like the
Yeah, we wanna take
universal
the
one.
Oh yeah.
That's Magic Kingdom.
Alright.
A Donald, I think a Donald popsicle. So again, these locations can change, but it seems to be at least 4 per park, if not more, of different spots. I hope they do change it back soon to where each cast member has a pen, but we will keep you updated. Let us know if you'd like to see more pen trading.
Stay up and subscribe for more videos. Get a chance to subscribe.